In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to password lock OneDrive on Windows 10. If you've ever wondered how to keep your files secure and limit access only to those who need it, you're in the right place. Let's dive into this step-by-step guide and unlock the secrets to safeguarding your digital documents. First, you'll want to log into your Microsoft account. This is your gateway to accessing all your OneDrive files. Open your preferred web browser and head to the Microsoft account login page. Enter your credentials, making sure they're correct. If you've forgotten your password, you'll need to follow the account recovery options provided by Microsoft to regain access. Once you're in, you're halfway there. Next, you'll need to access OneDrive. You can do this directly online by visiting the OneDrive website, or through the OneDrive app on your computer if you have it installed. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the OneDrive interface if you haven't used it before. It's relatively intuitive, but a quick look around can help you feel more confident as you proceed. Now, it's time to select the file or folder you want to password protect. Browse through your OneDrive storage and find the document or directory that requires this additional layer of security. Once you've located it, simply click on it to highlight your selection. You can choose multiple files or folders if you wish, but for now, let's keep it simple and start with just one. With your file or folder in focus, open the Share options. Look for an icon that resembles a sharing symbol, usually a person with a plus sign. This will open up the Sharing Settings menu, which is where the magic happens. You'll notice a section allowing you to invite people or get a link. This is your control center for handling who gets access. Now, you'll want to adjust your permissions. Before adding password protection, determine who currently has access to this file or folder. You can change existing permissions or restrict access entirely, depending on your needs. Remember, less is more when it comes to securing your files, so share thoughtfully. To set the password, note that this requires a premium feature. If you're a Microsoft 365 subscriber, you're in luck because this feature is available to you. Look for an option to set a password. You'll be prompted to enter a secure password that only designated users will know. Choose something complex but memorable, avoiding common words or easily guessable numbers. Finally, you'll want to apply and save your settings. Double-check everything to ensure your file or folder is secure. Verify the permissions, the password, and any other settings you've adjusted. Once you're certain everything looks good, hit apply, and it'll all be set in stone. And there you have it. You've successfully password locked a OneDrive file or folder on Windows 10. Your important data is now better protected against unauthorized access. Thanks for tuning in today, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more helpful tips on securing your digital life.